Okay, so my last video on automated AI short generators gave you a deep dive into two amazing AI tools, covering the first tool in detail. However, I barely scratched the surface of the second tool due to my limited free account. But hold on to your hats because there's a game-changing update. They've added the style selection feature, which was my only major critique. So, I took the plunge and explored their premium features, including some fantastic voiceovers. Today, we're going to see how this AI can help you create monetizable shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikToks like a pro. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. This isn't a sponsored video, and the tool we're about to explore isn't free. But don't click away just yet. For content creators who struggle with time or lack technical skills, this AI tool could be a game changer. It's surprisingly affordable when you consider the alternatives. $20 a month for GPT Plus image generation, and another $11 to $22 for 11 Labs voiceovers. Ready to see how this all-in-one solution can simplify your life and boost your content game? Let's get started. Today we're diving into an incredible tool called SmartShort. First things first, let's head over to their website and create our account. Don't worry, the link is in the description below. Once you're there, you'll notice that SmartShort supports multiple languages for your clips and even suggests different niches you can choose from. Pretty cool, right? For this demo, we're going to craft our own unique story. So let's jump right in and start a new project together. For this demo, we're going to create a short about some fascinating facts about Albert Einstein. Let's start by generating our script. Look at that. SmartShort has whipped up a script for us in no time. The best part? We can tweak it to our liking before moving forward, or we can regenerate a completely new story if we want. Now, let's select our preferred aspect ratio. For this demonstration, we'll stick with the 9:16 portrait style, perfect for vertical viewing. Next up, we get to choose a voiceover from a list of premium voices provided by 11 Labs. Let's find the perfect voice to bring our video to life. Let's go with Adam, a crowd favorite voice from 11 Labs, and move on to the next step. Now, check this out. SmartShort lets us choose from various image styles, including anime and 3D. For our video, we'll go with the cinematic style for that epic feel and slightly decrease the image duration to keep things snappy. We'll keep the settings for removing silence and other options turned on, then kick off the video generation process. And just like that, our video is ready in a matter of seconds. Let's take a look at the final result.
Albert Einstein, a name synonymous with genius. But did you know he was once offered the presidency of Israel? Shocking, right? Einstein's brilliance was undeniable, but his humility led him to decline the offer. Einstein's accomplishments go beyond his famous equation, E equals mc squared. He was also a passionate musician, playing the violin since the age of 6. Music was a lifelong passion, often credited as a source of inspiration for his scientific breakthroughs. But did you know Einstein was stateless for years? Born in Germany, he renounced his German citizenship and became a man without a country. It wasn't until 1955, the year of his death, that he became an American citizen. Einstein's legacy extends beyond science. He was a champion for human rights, advocating for an end to racism and nuclear disarmament. His words still resonate today, reminding us of the power of compassion and the importance of questioning the status quo. Albert Einstein, a man of many talents, passions, and accomplishments. His story is one of brilliance, humility, and conviction, a true inspiration for us all.
The video looks fantastic, but let's make it even better by tapping into SmartShort's customization features. We can tweak the captions, change or delete the accompanying emojis, and even play around with text colors. Want to add extra flair? We can add additional text to our captions. Plus, SmartShort offers various caption styles, giving us endless possibilities to match individual preferences. The entire caption setup is highly customizable, so feel free to experiment. Now let's dive into modifying our images. We can pick any image we want to tweak and change its style or even use a B-roll if needed. Let's try replacing this image with a new one. Look at that, it works perfectly. We also have the option to upload our own images, but for now, let's generate another one using SmartShort. One great feature here is that SmartShort provides the full prompt used to generate the image, making it super easy for us to fine-tune the image or scene to our liking. Let's experiment with the anime style and see what we get. Wow, that looks pretty cool. Now let's switch it up and try the 3D style. That's equally impressive. Finally, let's explore the available background music. SmartShort offers a variety of popular soundtracks from social media, perfect for our video's vibe. With all these features, you can create amazing portrait-style videos that stand out. Remember, the tool isn't free, so I suggest giving it a test run before making any financial commitments. Anyway, I hope you found this demonstration helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and don't forget to smash that like button. Thank you, and see you in the next one.